2, 1, 0.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you all to another episode of NumberRoyale. We've got Raghavi, Srinidhi, Maniraja, Ratna MJ, Chacha, Hariharan KS, What's Poppin', Srinath 17, Brahmagupta, that's a new name, Vanu, Sai, Numbers Guy, and Veerappan, Mathstar, Haritashri. Welcome to each and every one of you. I'm glad you're all staying safe and healthy and are able to join us. We've got the elimination match today and with a $5 prize. So we've got 9 puzzles, solve them all, and you get a share of the $5 prize. If you miss any of the first 8, you can use a life to jump back into the game. And of course, on the last puzzle, algebra, you're not able to use a life. All right, so those are the simple rules, and here comes the phone call. We'll let someone take care of it, and sorry about the disturbance. And so we were on the other day, we were discussing the GDP of the US was 22%, right? And do you know what the GDP of India was when the British East India Company was formed in the 1600? Take a guess. You know, obviously it's between 0 and 100% of the world's GDP. And think about it to kind of give you an idea of the prosperity at that time when the East India Company was formed. 4% says toast, 59% says Hariharan KS. You've got it bracketed. Eastman says 75%. That's a bit too rich. 32%. We're getting closer. And Sujata says 47. Hariharan says 0%. No, it's 28%. Yeah, 29% is the answer that is widely quoted. So gives you an idea of the prosperity. And in the 1600, when the British East India Company was formed, of course, there were several European East India companies, Dutch East India Company, French, Portuguese. They were all trading, right? They all came to India for trading. So, but think about or find out what the GDP was in 1947 when the British left. That'll give you a shock. Anyways, so much for GDP and history. Let's get to the business at hand. So it was 29%. And so let's get started with question number 1 on the elimination match. All right. 2, 8, 5, and the desired result is 5. 8 possible solutions, and all of them are equally acceptable. I see somebody is asking about India's GDP now. That's your homework. Find out what it is and let us know. And it just tells you, when things happen, how they impact people. 40 of you have given the correct answer. 3 out of 8 solutions given. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 37 of you have given the most popular answer. Off we go to question number 2. 2, 7, and 11. 2, 7, and 11. Desired result is 36. 4 possible solutions with all 4 operators available. I see P. Sanjay giving 3.4. I don't know whether that's for 1947 when the British left, or whether it's now. But in any case, 22 of you. Wow, it was a little bit tough. 22 of you have got the correct answer, and it's 11 plus 7 is 18 times 2 is 36. So. And there was an answer. Hariharan K was kind enough to share on the chat window as well. That's the most popular answer. All 4 solutions are given. Cool. who's that? I'm trying to see. Cool Matt, he say now there is homework in NumberRoyale. This is only if you want to know about it, Cool Matt. If you don't want to go do it, I'm sure somebody else will do it for you, and let us know in the next show. All right. This is just fun. There is no homework, no nothing that's mandatory. You're doing it because you want to, not because you have to. All right. So let's take a look at question 3. 11, 9, and 13. Desired result is 26. 2 possible solutions, all 4 operators available. And I know this is too easy to be question number 3, especially for the smartest audience in the world. All right, or the players. I shouldn't say audience. This is everybody competes. So let's see. 28 of you. I'm glad to see some of you have used your life judiciously to jump back in. It's 13 times 2 is 26, and 11 minus 9, of course, gave you the 2. So 28 of you. Moving on to question number 4. Decimals, 90 possible solutions, 5.8, 1.6, 4.4, and 8.8 to get an integer result of 3. And you have about 10 more seconds, and let's see how many of you are giving the answers. I see that Hariharan, he's being very generous, sharing his answers as well these days. Here you go. He's got the answer. So 26 of you have given the correct answer. 10 was the most popular. 10 of you have given the most popular answer. It was 8.8 minus 5.8 gets you 3, and then 4.4 minus 3, and then add 1.6 to it. So great job. 7 out of 90 solutions given. And let's go take a look at question number 5. 4, 3, 16, and 2. 98 is the desired result. And how do you get 98 out of these 4 numbers? 4, 3, 16, and 2. All 4 operators are in play. I'm trying to see, it's 49 times 2 now. How do you get there? Anyways, I'm sure you've solved it. Hariharan's acknowledging defeat on this question, but I'm sure you used a life. Only 6 of you got this, and it was 14 times 7. 16 minus 2 was 14 times 4 plus 3. So that was a little bit tricky, but you expect that out of question number 5 on an elimination match. So 6 of you are moving on, plus anybody who uses life, and we want to get 66 this time. 12, 11, 8, and 4. All 4 operators are in play. 26 possible solutions. And let us see, how difficult is this? I see 66 and I see 11. So I'm immediately hunting for a 6. And I think you can get 6 out of 12, 8, and 4 in some possible. I think a couple of divisions would get you. Oh, good. 12 of you have got this answer. Glad you're using lives. And 3 out of 26 solutions given. And somebody came up with this monster. 12 times 11, that's 132, times 4, and then divided by 8. Wow. Not just one person. 5 of you did that. So that's very smart. I was going to go for 12 divided by 8 divided by 4. And, and that's 5 of you have done that. So that's the easy or the lazy way out. That's what I would have done. But, hats off to you for those who did it the long way, go up to 12 times 4 times 11. So let's see what question 7 brings. 5/8 is what we are looking for. And 7/4, 4/7, 5/8. All 4 operators are in play. 16 possible solutions. And how are we going to get that? 7/4, 4/7, and 5/8. I see 7/4, 4/7. I kind of say, hey, do you multiply and get out of it and get it? So, I'm always looking for a quick answer if that's possible. I think that's what it is, right? 7/4 times 4/7 gets you 1, and then 1 times 5/8. 6 of you have done that. And I see that What's Poppin' was commenting that there was they must be smart to go through those big numbers. There's, various kinds of smarts. So, you could do it different ways, and all smartness is appreciated and welcomed in Number Royale. So let's go take a look at question 8. 14, 9, 4, and 11. 82 is the desired result. And we've got 4 operators available, 4 possible solutions. And I'm looking for 82, 14, 9, 4, and 11. How do you get that from? I'm trying to, see whether Toast is claiming victory here. So I'm glad at least one of you got it. And let's see how many of you got this one. 11 of you. So we're still in double digits on question 8, and I'm sure somebody is using life here. And we've got 14, 9, and it's 14 times 9 minus 11 times 4 equal to 82. And so what's poppin' is giving me, asking my boss to give me a raise, which I've been fighting for a long time. And, I just don't seem to be able to get it. Thank you for your recommendation. What's poppin'? With your help, maybe we'll do it. And we just have to make this show a success, right? In terms of audience volume and numbers. So we've got the tournament coming up, and with your help, I'm sure we're going to go places. Let's go take a look at the final puzzle. Algebra, 5x plus 5, 2x plus 5y, x plus y, 5. Wow, we've got what, 4 operands today. All right, so addition, subtraction, desired result is 2. What values of x and y would give you the answer? There are 360 possible solutions. I've never seen that many solutions before in any of the puzzles. Germany claims victory. Good, I'm glad at least one of you got it. And 2, 2 was the easy answer. Okay. I had 1, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 2. So several answers. Looks like 13 of you have gotten the answer in the final question. 5 out of 360 solutions. So the 3 operands didn't phase you at all. You just said, that's easy. I could have had it, in 5 seconds if you gave me only 5 seconds. No, we won't give you that short an answer. All right, so we'll give you more time. So glad we have 13 winners, and let's go take a look at who they are. 38 cents a piece for 13 winners, and let's go take a look at our 13 number royals. Lucky number 13. Birdie Flurry, Spark Angel, Lashettes, North Star 90, What's Poppin', Toast, Veerappan, You Know Me, Jeffy, Deepu 18, Hariharan KS, Jayamani, and Deepu Vetri 18. Congratulations to all of you. And I'm just reading the comment from Hariharan. Algebra, very tough. The game is going. It's not that difficult. You'll get it, Hariharan. You're pretty good. So you should be able to get it in no time if you didn't get it. So let's thank you all for joining us today. And this is Saktivel reminding you that without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. And we'll see you shortly in the day after tomorrow. But tomorrow, Kamachi will be coming. But in the meantime, we have another show without the host. I hope you enjoy it. And this is Saktivel signing off. Bye for now.